Since late 2022, a little known ETF called IDVO has quietly made waves by offering a 6% dividend yield payout monthly, while outperforming major benchmarks like the S&P 500. With over $200 million in assets, it stands out not just for its international diversification, but also for its unique covered call option approach, which helps generate steady income even when markets are unpredictable. Most investors haven't heard of IDVO, but its strategy and results are starting to turn heads, especially for those looking to build reliable, high-yield income. But before we get into what makes this fund different, let's talk about the real challenges investors face in today's market. Trying to build reliable income in today's market can feel like walking through a maze that keeps shifting. You put in the work, regular contributions, a focus on growth, and the discipline to stay invested. But volatility seems to strike at the worst times. Many investors, especially those just starting out, are finding it increasingly difficult to count on steady income while managing the risks that come with unpredictable markets. Traditional income strategies, such as bonds or dividend-focused ETFs, are supposed to offer stability. In reality, they've struggled to keep up. Bonds, once a safe haven, have been hit hard by the Federal Reserve's aggressive interest rate hikes. As rates climbed, bond values dropped, and portfolios built around them often ended up in the red. Inflation only made things worse, eroding the real value of any income generated. Even dividend ETFs, which are popular for their regular payouts, tend to focus on large U.S. companies, leaving investors exposed to the same market forces that drive the S&P 500. One of the biggest challenges is over-concentration in a handful of sectors. U.S.-focused portfolios often carry a heavy weight in large-cap tech stocks. With over 30% of the U.S. dividend ETFs invested in tech giants, a single rate shock or regulatory headline can trigger wide swings across your portfolio. This kind of concentration means that your income and your principal can be thrown off by the events that have nothing to do with your own goals or strategy. For younger investors, this creates a real dilemma. You want consistent income to reinvest or help cover expenses, but you also can't ignore the need for long-term growth. Bonds may offer some stability, but their yield often lags behind inflation, shrinking your purchasing power over time. Relying solely on U.S. dividend stocks might seem safer, but it limits your exposure to sectors and regions that could offer better stability and growth. The U.S. market's tech-heavy tilt can make portfolios more volatile, and missing out on international opportunities means missing out on potential sources of reliable income. Recent economic changes have also made things more complicated. Inflation has pushed up the cost of living, making it even more important to find investments that keep pace. Meanwhile, the Fed's focus on rising rates has upended traditional income sources, leaving many investors searching for alternatives that can offer both yield and resilience. This is why more investors are looking beyond the U.S. for solutions. International markets are driven by different economic cycles, and their sector makeup often brings more balance. Instead of relying on tech, international ETFs are typically weighed towards energy, financials, industrials, and infrastructure, sectors that tend to hold up better during periods of uncertainty. This diversification can help smooth out returns and reduce the impact of any single market event. Another advantage of international investing is currency exposure. International stocks earn in local currency. So if the dollar weakens after Fed rate cuts, your returns get an extra lift. This adds another layer of potential growth that US-only portfolios simply don't have. International diversification isn't just about reducing risk. It's about expanding your options and tapping into markets and sectors that US-focused portfolios often overlook. The right global income strategy can give you access to stable companies, steady dividends, and new sources of growth. But not all international investments are created equal. Some funds do a better job of balancing income, stability, and growth potential, especially when they combine global diversification with strategies like covered calls. So if you're searching for a way to generate consistent, high-yield income without being at the mercy of US market swings, it might be time to look beyond domestic borders. The key could be in finding an ETF that brings together the benefits of international exposure, sector balance, and enhanced income strategies. But what if the answer isn't just about going global, but about using a smarter approach to global investing? Let's take a closer look at why international ETFs could be the game changer you need. International ETFs stand out because they offer something US-focused portfolios can't: true diversification across economies and sectors that don't always move in sync with the US market. When you invest only in US stocks, your portfolio often ends up heavily weighted towards large cap tech companies. That means your performance and your income rise and fall with the fortunes of just a handful of firms. But global markets operate under different economic cycles. For example, while the US might be facing a tech slowdown, economies in Europe or Asia could be experiencing growth in sectors like energy, financials, or infrastructure. These sectors typically play a much bigger role in international markets, and they tend to be less volatile than tech, providing a steadier foundation when the US markets get choppy. This difference in sector makeup is more than just a statistical detail. It's a practical advantage for investors looking for stability. European markets, for instance, have a strong presence in industrials and utilities, which often provide consistent cash flows even when other sectors stumble. In Australia, energy and resource companies are deeply embedded in the economy, offering resilience when global uncertainty rises. By spreading your investments across these diverse regions and industries, you're not just chasing returns, you're building a portfolio that's better equipped to weather downturns in any single market. Another benefit of international ETFs is the potential for currency gains. Most international companies generate revenue in their local currencies. If the US dollar weakens, often a result of the Federal Reserve cutting interest rates, your international holdings can become more valuable when converted back to dollars. This extra layer of return can make a meaningful difference over time, especially if you're both holding these investments for the long run. Of course, currency moves can go both ways, but over a full market cycle, this exposure can add up to a real advantage. If you've ever felt like your portfolio is stuck on a single track, international ETFs are a way to open up new opportunities. Think of it like expanding your investment menu. Instead of eating the same meal every day, you get to sample a variety of flavors, different regions, sectors, and economic cycles, each contributing something unique to your results. That variety isn't just interesting, it's a practical way to reduce risk and improve your chances of finding steady income, no matter what's happening in US markets. But not all international ETFs deliver the same results. Some funds simply scatter investments around the globe without much thought for income or risk management. Others focus too narrowly on a single region or sector, missing out on the full benefits of diversification. The real breakthrough comes when an ETF combines global diversification with a strategy designed to cushion against sideways or volatile markets, such as using covered calls. This approach can help generate extra income and smooth out returns, especially when markets aren't moving in a straight line. We'll break down exactly how this works in a moment, but the key takeaway is that pairing international exposure with income-focused strategies can help you build a more resilient portfolio. So, if you're looking for a way to add stability and higher income to your investments, international ETFs offer a compelling solution. They tap into sectors and regions that US-focused funds often overlook, provide a buffer against domestic market swings, and even open the door to currency-driven gains. The right fund doesn't just diversify for the sake of it. It targets opportunities and manages risk with precision. Curious how all this comes together in practice? Next, we'll see how one fund applies these ideas with surgical precision to deliver 6% yields every month. For young investors searching for a fund that balances income, growth, and risk management, IDVO, the Amplify CWP International Enhanced Dividend Income ETF, stands out as a practical solution. Since its launch in September 2022, IDVO has focused on delivering consistent, high-yield income while providing broad exposure to international markets. What makes it especially appealing is how it brings together global diversification and a tactical covered call strategy, producing a dividend yield of about 6% with monthly payouts. Over a relatively short period, the fund has achieved a 51% total return since September 2022, a performance that puts it ahead of major benchmarks and many competing funds. IDVO's approach to income generation is two-pronged. First, it invests in high-quality, dividend-paying companies outside the US. Second, it uses a covered call strategy, but with a twist. Rather than selling options on broad indices, IDVO tactically sells covered calls on individual stocks within its portfolio. Fund managers analyze each holding to determine the best timing for selling these options, which allows the fund to collect premiums that add to its income. This strategy is particularly effective during sideways or slightly declining markets, as the premiums can help cushion returns when stock prices are flat or drifting lower. The fund's holdings reflect its commitment to both quality and diversification. IDVO invests in leading international companies like TSMC, the world's largest semiconductor manufacturer, Tencent, a major force in China's tech sector, and Siemens, a pillar of European industry. Alongside these names, the portfolio includes other leaders in energy, industrials, and infrastructure, sectors that often provide steady cash flows and help balance out volatility from more cyclical industries. By focusing on established, reliable companies across a range of global markets, IDVO aims to deliver both stability and the potential for growth. One of the features that sets IDVO apart for young investors is its monthly distribution schedule. Unlike funds that pay dividends quarterly, IDVO provides a steady stream of income every month. This can be especially useful if you're looking to reinvest dividends to take advantage of compounding, or if you want regular cash flow to help cover expenses. With a dividend yield around 6%, IDVO offers a higher income than many comparable funds. Its US-based counterpart, DIVO, yields just under 5%. The fund's international focus and tactical option strategy are key reasons for this yield advantage. It's also worth highlighting IDVO's strong dividend growth. Over the past 12 months, IDVO has grown its dividends by nearly 12%, outpacing peers by over 50%. This level of growth is significant, especially for a covered call ETF, since options income can fluctuate. IDVO's focus on companies with a track record of growing dividends helps ensure that its payouts remain robust, even as market conditions change. For investors who plan to reinvest dividends, this growth can make a noticeable difference in long-term returns. Of course, every investment comes with trade-offs. IDVO's expense ratio is 0.66%, which is higher than many broad market ETFs, but matches other covered call funds like DIVO. This fee supports the fund's active management and tactical option strategy. The fund's size, at around $200 million in assets, is smaller than some larger ETFs, which could mean slightly higher transaction costs when buying or selling shares. However, the rapid growth in assets under management signal increasing trust in the fund's approach, especially as investors look for alternatives during periods of market volatility. For young investors, IDVO combined with global exposure, reliable monthly income, and tactical risk management strategies makes it an appealing core holding. It offers a straightforward way to access high-quality international companies, participate in sectors often overlooked by US-focused funds, and benefit from a strategy designed to generate income in a variety of market conditions. The fund's performance and growing popularity suggests that its approach is resonating with those who want to balance current income needs with long-term growth goals. As you start thinking about building a resilient, income-generating portfolio, it's important to consider how a fund like IDVO could fit into your overall strategy. Understanding its unique features and how they align with your goals is the next step in making smarter investment decisions. When you look at how IDVO is built, it's clear this fund is more than just another international ETF. It's a tool that can reshape your wealth building strategy, especially if you're early in your investment journey. Young investors often face the challenge of wanting both growth and stability, but most funds force you to choose one or the other. IDVO aims to deliver on both fronts by blending global diversification with a steady stream of income. helping you sidestep the volatility that comes with putting all your eggs in the US market basket. One of the fund's most practical features is its monthly dividend distribution. For someone just starting out, regular income can be a game changer. Instead of waiting for quarterly or annual payouts, IDVO's monthly checks offer a chance to put your money to work more often. You might choose to reinvest those dividends automatically, compounding your returns over time. Or you might use that steady income to help cover everyday expenses, save for a specific goal, or even fund a side project. Imagine using those monthly checks to automate savings for a home down payment or to fund a side hustle. IDVO makes it possible without active trading. The point is, the flexibility of monthly payouts gives you more control over how your investments support your financial life, and it can help you stay committed to your long-term plans even when markets get rocky. The international focus is another layer of strength. US markets, while powerful, have become increasingly concentrated in a handful of tech giants. That means your portfolio can become vulnerable if those companies stumble. IDVO looks beyond US borders, investing in industries like energy, utilities, and industrials from markets across Europe, Asia, and Australia. These sectors often act as stabilizers, especially during periods of uncertainty, and they're less likely to swing wildly in response to the same headlines that move US tech stocks. Plus, international investment brings the added potential for gains when currency values shift in your favor. Over time, this can help smooth out your returns and provide another source of growth. Of course, every fund comes with costs. IDVO's 0.66% fee funds the active strategy behind that 51% total return since September 2022 and its monthly 6% yield. The management team doesn't just pick international stocks. They actively select high-quality companies and manage a sophisticated options program to generate extra income. By selling calls on individual holdings, IDVO collects premiums that smooth out volatility and boost income even in choppy markets. This approach helps make the fund's returns more stable, which is especially valuable if you're looking to build wealth without constantly worrying about the next downturn. Think about how this could fit into your own strategy. Maybe you're saving for something big, a trip, a new business, or even building the foundation for early retirement. With IDVO, you can set up a system where your investments work for you month after month, regardless of what's happening in the broader market. The regular income and lower volatility mean you're not just hoping for growth, you're actually seeing tangible progress towards your goals. And since IDVO's holdings lean on sectors that tend to be more resilient, you're less likely to experience the emotional roller coaster that often comes with more concentrated, US-focused portfolios. It's also smart to remember that IDVO doesn't have to be your only holding. You can use it as a core piece of your portfolio, combining it with other funds that target aggressive growth or specific sectors, depending on your risk tolerance and financial objectives. For many young investors, the real value of IDVO is how it balances out a portfolio, providing income and stability while leaving room for other strategies. Ultimately, IDVO offers a straightforward way to address some of the biggest challenges young investors face: how to generate income, manage risk, and diversify beyond the US market. By focusing on monthly income, international diversification, and a tactical covered call strategy, it helps make wealth building feel more accessible and less stressful. As you consider your next move, it's worth thinking about how a fund like IDVO could play a role in your approach to income and diversification. From market volatility to 6% monthly payouts, IDVO bridges the gap between income needs and growth goals. By combining international diversification with a covered call strategy, this ETF delivers a steady 6% dividend yield paid monthly, sourced from both global companies' dividends and optioned income. That consistent cash flow can help smooth out unpredictable markets while keeping your portfolio on track. If you're searching for a practical way to balance growth and income, check the ticker IDVO and see if it fits your portfolio goals today. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe for more income-driven ETF strategies tailored to young investors. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll cover maximizing income through a tailored ETF portfolio.